Okay, I got the guts out. I just wanted to see if I can get an angle on this thing so you can see what I'm talking about here. Here's the little tit that has to come off, and then you're gonna have to find you a knife and chamfer this edge right here all the way around. So like I said, I'm not a professional, but that's how I'm doing it. So I'm gonna come over here now to the vise. If you look at this, you've got a little gap right here between here and here, and this doesn't go down all the way, and it's gonna have to, otherwise it's not gonna work. So these are the little, this is the little cam that has to come off. This has to be, this is what I was talking about with the Dremel. This needs to be dremeled flat, even with the rest of it. And there's 3 of them. 1, 2, I can't do this on the video. And watch, but there's 3 of them. I'll try to get a different angle so you can see everything real good. But those 3 got to come off, and once you get that off, everything will sit down flat and flush.